Hello all and welcome to this new channel. In light of the struggles with the school districts closing and everybody having a hard time getting education, one thing we can't give up our education just because of the virus or because of any other thing that's going on in our economy right now. So I'm creating this channel to actually educate those who need tutoring services. This is the CJW Teaching channel. What's going to be on this channel is a mixture of English, humanities, social studies, history. There's going to be a K through 5 math or something like that. We're going to try to put that together and put that on this channel for those who can't afford like an online course or something, just to try and keep you guys in the know or keep the students educated during this time. So I'll be doing a lot of lecturing on different subjects and different things throughout this channel, and I'll be putting each of those into its own playlist. So you'll be able to go and select the playlist you want for the grade level that you want and go from there. It is going to take a while to compile all the videos, but I think we're going to be fine. We just need to get this up and going, and I will be posting periodically back on this channel with updates on different subject standards and what needs to be going, what needs to be taught during this time, so that your students don't lose your children don't lose valuable instruction time because of these things that have come into view in the last couple of weeks. So welcome to this channel, CJW Teaching, and I hope you get something out of it for the better.